3, let's go!
MOR 91.1 Love Song Remix.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Mixed by Top Remix.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Mixed by Top Remix.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
It's massive. Mix bar.
3, let's go!
Ako'y nasa Malate, alas 7 ng gabi. Nakilala ko tuloy itong magandang babae na nakabibighay sa aking mga mata. Ang di ko lang alam ay manloloko lang pala. Umanag sa kita ng nagtuturo na siya, hindi pa kami on upang di mahalata. Siya ay nagpayabang, nagmemenesyatwa daw siya sa alabang. Ako ay tumambay, mahigpit na mahigpit, naglalaway sa pader ng hapit na ako'y makalika. Di ko siya matagpuan, upos ang aking mani, di ko pa nahalikan. One night, let's go. Yeah, at pinatay ang ilaw, o madalas lumalabas.
This is massive banger mixed by Top Remix.
Alright, second verse. Sa Cafe Adriatico ako ay inaya. Inom daw kami at siya ang taya. Kaya kaming dalaway uminom ng beer. Inangat na ang magatang, sabi niya sa'kin, ang di ko alam ay meron siyang inilagay. Ako'y biglang nahilo, nawalan ng aking malay nang ako'y magising. Aking napansin, pangalan ng motel, Anito It. Kaya ang sabi ko na ko, i-split na ako. Pag nabuko ng girlfriend ko, mahirap to. Wala sa isip ko ang kanyang maiwa. Nang nakita ko siya, naka-underwear lang. One night has come, yeah, at pinatay ang ilaw, o madalas lumalabas. Bagyo queen, yeah, oh darling, darling, stand by me, oh stand by me, o madalas lumalabas. Bagyo queen. Alright, get ready for the third verse. Pag kami ay nagtatawanan at nagkukwentuhan, at doon sa sofa kami ay naglalampungan ang ginaw. Para kung nasa Roponggi, pinatay niya ang ilaw, then binuksan ang
This is massive
VCD.
banger mixed by Top Remix.
Sa kanyang kama, kami ay nahiga. Ako ay nagulat at ako'y nabigla. Ako'y nanginginig, pawis na pawis. Tinutok ko, pinasok ko, and boy, walang gabli. At ang sabi niya sa'kin, tumakilid, tumihaya, lumuhod at lumapa. Na matapos na kami, ang sabi niya, the night has come. Yeah, at pinatay ang ilaw, o madalas lumalabas. Bagyo queen, take it to the top. Oh darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. O madalas lumalabas. Bagyo queen.
This is Massive Banger Mix by Top Remix.
One, two, three, let's go!
It's time for Oldies Going Wild. This is Massive Banger Mix by Top Remix.
One, two, three, let's go!
Here's my world, city lights, painted gold.
And only here at Josephine and Ivan Music Collection.
I live among the creatures of the night. I haven't got the will to try and fight against a new tomorrow, so I guess I'll just believe it. Tomorrow never comes the same night. I'm living in the forest of a dream. I know the night is not as it would seem. I must believe in something, so I'll make myself believe it. This night will never go.
Three, let's go!
Oh, the night is my world, city lights, painted gold. In the day, nothing matters. It's the night, time to
Sumayaw, humataw. Take it with the one and only DJ Toto Remix. Sumayaw, humataw. Take it with the one and only DJ Toto Remix.
Everybody put your hands up high. Everybody put your hands in the sky. Everybody put your hands up high. Hands up, hands up, hands up high.
Shake that, bust, shake that, bust,
This is massive like the Kaya Mix Bar. Toto Remix.
Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
I'm just a moment. Help me believe in what I could be and know that I
Ito na ang Josephine and Ivan Music Collection.
I have to climb, Lord, for my sake. Teach me to take one day at a time.
1, 2, 3,
One day
let's
at a
go.
time, sweet Jesus. That's all I'm asking of you. Just give me the strength to do every day what I have to do. Yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus, and tomorrow may never be mine. Lord, help me today, show me the way. One day.
This is massive like the Kaya Mix Bar. Toto Remix.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
sa iyong mga mata. Dahil di sabihin mo aking nadarama. Ang paglayo niyan, huwag mong ipagdamdam. Mabuti nga na naman siya'y sanawaan. Karamay ako kahapon at ngayon. Asahan kung bukas ako'y naroroon. Naroroon ako hanggang ako'y buhay. Katulong mo at sa'yo ay
Stay tuned to the best music collection. Only here at Josephine and Ivan Music Collection.
tutulungan kita malimot Kahapon at ngayon, asahan bukas ako'y naroroon, naroroon ako hanggang ako'y buhay, katulong mo at sa'yo ay
Stay tuned to the best music collection. Only here at Josephine and Ivan Music Collection.
Tutulungan kita, malimot mo siya, ibabalik ang dati mong sigla. Aking gagamutin puso mo, sinugadang sugat na dulot niyang salawan.
This is Massive Tactile Mix by Top Remix. This is Massive Tactile Mix by Top Remix.
2, 1, 2, 3, let's go!
It's time for All This Going Wild Remix. This is Massive Tactile Mix by Top Remix.
2, 1, 2, 3, let's go!
Tayo'y nagkakilala, bakit ba ganda mo ay nakita? Bakit ka pa napamahal sa akin? Kung di rin lang kita makakapiling, sa'yo pa nagising ang damdamin, sa'yo pa puso ko'y naliw, sa'yo na hindi na malaya, sa'yo pa nabawa.
Stay tuned to the best music collection. Only here at Josephine and Ivan Music Collection.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, let's go!
Tayo'y nagkakilala, bakit ba ganda mo ay nakita? Bakit ka pa napamahal sa akin? Kung di rin lang kita makakapiling, sa'yo pa nagising ang damdamin, sa'yo pa puso ko'y naliw, sa'yo na hindi Iba ka sa lahat ng aking nakilala. Inimulat mo ang isip ko sa ganda nitong mundo. Nakita mo ang lunas sa aking kalungkutan. Iba ka sa lahat, iba ka kung magmahal.
Everybody put your hands up high. Everybody put your hands up high. Let me see you work, work. I like to see you twerk, twerk. Let's go. Come on. Hands up, hands up, hands up high. Hands up high.
Everybody dance! Isayaw na isayaw! Oh, it's crying time again. You're gonna leave me. I can see the faraway look in your eyes.
Shout out Adrian.
I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying
This is massive
time.
banger mix by Toto
Now they
Remix.
say that absence make my heart grow fonder. And the tears are only rain to make love grow. Well, my love for you could never grow no stronger if I live to be 100 years old.
Everybody put your hands up high. Everybody put your hands up high. Let me see you work, work. I like to see you twerk, twerk. Let's go. Come on. Hands up, hands up, hands up high. Hands up high.
Everybody dance! Isayaw na isayaw! Oh, it's crying time again. You're gonna leave me. I can see the faraway look in your eyes.
Shout out Adrian.
I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying
This is massive banger
time.
mix by Toto
Now they
Remix.
say that absence make fun grows fonder. And the tears are only rain to make love grow. Well, my love for you could never grow no stronger if I live to be 100 years old. Oh, it's crying time again. You're gonna leave me. I can see the faraway look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time.
This is massive banger mix by Toto Remix. Josephine and Ivan Music Collection.
Jody was the girl who lived next door. I've known her, I guess, 10 years or more. Jody wrote me a note one day, and this is what she had to say.
Jimmy, please say you'll wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll see. Saving all my kisses just for you. Sign with love forever true.
Slowly I read her note once more. I went over to the house next door. Her teardrops fell like rain that day when I told Jody what I had to say. Jody, Jody, please don't cry. You forget me by and by. You're just 15, I am 22. Jody, I just can't wait for you.
This is Massive Banger Mix Bar. Toto Remix.
When I left our little hometown, got me a job and tried to settle down, but her words kept on in my memory. The words that Jody said to me.
Ito na ang Josephine and Ivan Music Collection.
Jimmy, please say you'll wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll see. Saving all my kisses just for you. Sign with love forever true.
I packed my clothes and I caught a plane. Had to see Jody, I had to explain how my heart was filled with her memory, and asked my Jody if she'd marry me. I ran all the way to the house next door, but things weren't like they were before. My teardrops fell like rain that day when I heard what Jody had to say.
Jimmy, Jimmy, please don't cry. You forget me by and by. It's been 5 years since you've been gone. Jimmy, I buried your best friend John.
This is Massive Banger Mix Bar. Toto Remix. Kahit saan ka man sa mundo, iisa pa rin tayo. Pinoy Remix pa rin ang hilig natin. Handog sa inyo ng ating mga OFW. Pinoy, atin to. Ito ang Pinoy Remix.
When there's a dark storm on your horizon, and you think you can't get through it, just put your hand in mine, and I'll show you how to do it. When the future looks uncertain, you can count on me to be there. And when your heart is Said there is no reason for my fear, 'cause I feel so secure when we're together. You give my life direction, you make everything so clear. Even as I wonder, I'm keeping you inside.
Kahit saan ka man sa mundo, iisa pa rin tayo. Pinoy Remix pa rin ang hilig natin. Handog sa inyo ng ating mga OFW. Pinoy, atin to. Ito ang Pinoy Remix.
Like to tell what a girl I said at the bar just the other night. Don't take long. What's my feelings for the problem from the war of confused. Spectre me. I didn't tend to push you in a direction. I didn't see you walking out the door. If I had taken my time, she was telling me to this way before. You might have let it go. Close the door. The walk away. Spectre mills. I can't adapt to something of her in me. Just told me she needed company. So develop to me. Gotta find me.
The City of Lions, Singapore Bricks Club. Soy and DJ Toto Remix. Singapore Bricks Club.
Like to tell what a girl I said at the bar just the other night. Hope you find and it don't take long. What's my feelings for the problem from the war of confused.
The City of Lions, Singapore Bricks Club.
I didn't attempt to push you in a direction. I was blinded by the in her eyes. If I had taken my time, she was sitting next to you.
This is Dos Guapitos, DJ Lawrence Tisoy and DJ Toto Remix.
Lonely table just for one. In a bright, crowded room. While the music began, I drink memories in the gloom. Though the music still sang, it has a better sweet refrain.
DJ Toto
So play the
Remix.
song the way it used to be. Before she left and chased it all the sadness. And maybe if she's passing by the window, she would hear our love song and the melody. Even if the words are not so tender, she will always remember the way it used to be.
DJ Toto Remix. JRS Fanatics.
Lonely table just for one. In a bright, crowded room. While the music began, I drink memories in the gloom. Though the music still sang, it has a better sweet refrain.
DJ Toto
So play the
Remix.
song the way it used to be. Before she left and chased it all the sadness. And maybe if she's passing by the window, she would hear our love song and the melody. Even if the words are not so tender, she will sasaktan.